what I started with was pool noodles, and I painted Rudolph chestnut. I bought plungers at Dollar Tree, and I pulled the plunger part off. I just put some of this Waverly Antique Wax. I just did them with that so they'd be a little bit darker. The neck on, and all I did for the neck was take these skewers. You just put a skewer down through the neck piece on each side. Stick your skewers into and the next part is the head. So just kind of hold it on there and stick your skewer down through it. I've got this, it's just a microfiber duster, and that's what we're gonna make the tail out of. I just cut the shape that I thought the tail needed to be. Is to take you some wire and make sure it's long enough to put under in between the two pieces and to stick out some, and then you're gonna just glue it. You have the two pieces of wire, can you see those? I'm just gonna take those and stick them into the pool noodle. Just spray like in the center of the tail, just a little bit of. We are going to give him a little hat. I'm gonna glue that on. Now it's time for some eyeballs. And his eyes are just gonna go like about the center of his head. Just put a little bit of hot glue on there, and you can stick his eyeballs on. Next thing we're gonna do is give him his nose, because he's not Rudolph without a shiny red nose, right? And I'm just using a ornament, a glittery red ornament. Put some hot glue on it and stick it right in the center of that opening.